Film that, I grabbed my Denso pump that I put the two little adapters on here that came on the one that came with the assembly. That's what was on there, so that's what's designed to lock into place. And so it's gonna go right here in this cylinder right here. And then I'm just gonna try to line up the cord or the connector that I changed. It should fit since how it came with the pump. Ooh. There it goes. Okay. So I pushed it down a little bit, and now I'm just gonna raise it up so I can fit it in the other part. Right there. Okay. So I wanted to make sure, as you can see, that the connector plugged in and that part lined up because that's where it locks in at. Okay. So now that they're both lined up, I'm gonna go ahead and push the connector down into the fuel pump. Well, there it goes. I heard it snap. And then now to push the other part down. I felt that go in.